this?
This is 20 to the winner. Avi versus Edwin. Billy Bob.
And they also have a side bet. Billy Bob gave him the Jew Bastard 5 points. The Jew Hammer.
He gave him 5?
Yeah,
I thought he was giving him 6.
Or 6 or 5 with the Jew Hammer.
Oh shit. No, that's not a
camera? Fuck Bradley. I like that. Hey, Jay! Go! I mean, stop your game and get the ball. Come back at the end.
Joe, you want to get a game on the other side? Mike, I got you. Carry your black ass and shit.
Where you carry my black ass?
I'll carry your black ass.
Where? To where? To dinner?
The other court.
To dinner? Come on, bro. You want to fuck the black man? You don't want to carry him off to dinner? No, he's not gonna get mad at you. He get mad at me. What's the people like? I don't know that. my name is Jesse. Hello. Hello, my name is Vic. Hello. I like black girls.
You like black girls? I only got one rule with women. It had to be born with women. That's the only rule I got. Fuck out of here, Jack. You leave me alone. Give me 10 points out of that.
What's up, guys? That easy? Got that!
Nice shot, Avi.
That's the Jew up the line.
That was a nice shot. Midnight. Gotta put your name up there on few of these. Midnight. See if you catch it and shit. Oh, good run, Ab. Nice foul. That shit nonchalant. Nonchalant. I want to run that shit too. Whoa, with a whip back.
Fuck him up!
What a
He said, no way, you can take him.
I'm gonna get you next, Vic.
That's it, Abby.
They're getting it, I don't know.
No way I was gonna bounce it.
Yeah, that was you? Nice shot, Patty.
Good shit,
I'm not
dude.
here for that.
You get it.
I'm not here for that. Seriously, that's a black man job?
Oh, now you have to throw that all around.
I mean, that's a midnight job?
Wow, this backhand, that shit.
Yeah, you got it, Jay. See? You ain't gotta listen to this sometimes. Rick, you nice.